Hi friends, welcome to Shazi Educational TV. Today, we're going to learn alphabet letters with fun. Are you ready? Let's go.
Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, pink color,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
A is for apple,
Q,
crunchy
R,
and
S,
sweet.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
B
Now
is for
I
bunny,
know my
funny soft feet.
ABCs.
C
Next
is for
time
castle,
won't you
tall
sing
by the
with
sea.
me?
D is for dinosaur, stomping with me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
E is for
L, M,
elephant,
N, O, P,
ears so wide.
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
F is for flower,
W,
colors
X,
so bright.
Y, and Z. Now I know my
G is for guitar,
ABCs.
strum,
Next
strum,
time
strum.
won't you sing with me?
H is for hippo, boom, boom, bum. I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for jelly, wiggle, wobble, glow. K is for kangaroo, hop so high. L is for ladybug, flying by. M is for monkey, swinging from the trees. N is for nest, tucked in the leaves. O is for owl, who hoots through the night. P is for penguin, in black and in white. Q is for queen, with a gown and a crown. R is for rocket, zooming past town. S is for sun, so big and so bright. T is for tiger, a stripy delight. U is for umbrella, to keep out the rain. V is for violin, a musical strain. W is for whale, in the ocean so deep.
Now I know my
X is for X-ray, while you're fast asleep.
Sing with me.
Y is for yo-yo, going up and then down.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Z is for zebra, with the best suit in town.
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
A for apple, A for ant.
Y, and Z. Now I know my
B for ball, B for bat.
Next time won't you sing
C for
with
cat,
me?
C for car.
C, D, E, F, G, H,
D for dog, D for duck.
Q, R, S, T,
E for egg, E for elephant.
W, X, Y, and Z.
F for fish, F for frog. G for goat, G for grapes. H for hat, H for hen. I for ice, I for igloo.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
J for jug,
T,
J
U,
for
V,
jam.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
K for kite,
ABCs.
K for key.
Next time won't you sing with me?
L for lion, L for lamb.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
M for monkey,
ABCs.
M for mango.
Next time won't you sing with me?
N for nest, N for nose.
A, B, C,
O
D,
for orange,
E, F,
O
G,
for owl.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
P for parrot,
T, U,
P for pen.
W, X, Y, and
Q
Z.
for queen,
Now
Q
I
for
know
quilt.
my ABCs. Next time won't you
R
sing
for
with
rabbit,
me?
R for rose.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
S for
L, M,
sun,
N, O, P,
S for star.
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
T for tiger, T for tree.
Y, and Z. Now I know
U for umbrella, U for unicorn. V for van, V for violin.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
W for watch,
T, U, V,
W for whale.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
X for X-ray,
ABCs.
X for
Next
xylophone.
time, won't you sing with me?
Y for yak, Y for yo-yo.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Z for zebra,
H, I,
Z
J,
for zoo.
K, L, M, N, O, P,
A, B,
Q, R, S,
C, D,
T, U,
E,
V,
F,
W,
G,
X,
H,
Y, and
I,
Z.
J,
Now I know my
K,
ABCs.
L, M,
Next time, won't
N,
you
O,
sing with me?
P, Q, R, S, T,
A, B, C,
U,
D, E, F,
V,
G,
W,
H, I,
X,
J, K,
Y,
L, M, N, O, P,
Z.
Q, R, S, T,
Great job,
U, V,
friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.